So what transpired in court, and what was the cost that was awarded against your client?
Okay, we came to court today. I filed a motion for interlocutory injunction. I withdrew same, and because the first respondent has filed process, they were entitled to cost. They prayed for same, and the court awarded it. That's all.
Uh, the judge indicates that he is adjourning to Thursday. Is it your understanding that is the final ruling on the matter? I stand educated.
It will depend on what application they are bringing. As of now, I'm not privy to what they are bringing. But what they are saying is that they are coming to set aside the entire petition. So when it comes, I shall respond. For now, I can't speak to it. So whether or not it will finalize everything depends on the process that they will file. If I read it, that is where I can respond.
Is your client prepared to go the full haul of it to get to a finality?
Of course, that's why we came to court. We came to court for a specific relief, and I think we will pursue that.
Yes, when we came to court, we have filed something in our parlance called the conditional appearance, showing that what has been filed is not proper, it's not before the court. So he withdrew his injunction, the motion on notice for injunction, and we asked for cost because he's held the whole process ransom, he's held the whole nation is on tenterhook, and we are saying that it is not right that when EC is doing its constitutional work, you come to court and you want to injunct it, and for all this period, we have to be going and coming expenses. So we asked for cost, and the court graciously gave us a cost. Now, what we have filed, it means that there's another process we have filed that the petition itself being in court is not right. So we will come back on Thursday and move an application to show the court why the petition is not proper before the court.
You are filing a process to set aside the petition for that matter.
That's so, exactly so.
So I mean, if this is done, I heard the judge saying that if this is done, he expects that he will take a decision on it and make a ruling. Will that ruling be a final one on the whole matter sub judice?
Yes, if he rules on it, it is either he says that yes, it was not proper before him, and that ends the matter, or he will say it is proper, then we go ahead with our answer. So those are the two options that the judge will look at. And we will give him reason why we think it's not proper. They can also canvass reason why they think it is proper. And that is all that we want to do on Thursday. So it is for the court to decide. And I'm very happy because this is an election petition. It has to be expeditiously dealt with. And I'm happy the judge is up to the task, and he says that he wants to do it there and there. It gives us, because the nation is on tenterhooks, we don't know what is happening, and we must bring this to a closure. And I think that that should be what we should be doing.
You and your client are still confident that yes, the court will rule in your favor, so you get the votes counted, and he is probably declared as the victor.
We are sure that if the court dismisses, then it paves the way for electoral commission to do its work, and that is a work that they have to do officially. By constitution, they have been mandated to do that. So if we finish with it, it will pave the way for my clients, and what the electoral commission will decide do with it, then declare it, or anything they want to do, rerun it for that pool that has been tampered with. It will be their decision, and we will ask that it is done. That is what we are looking at.
The Wenchi High Court will on Thursday make a final determination on whether or not the election petition before it concerning the Sene West parliamentary seat elections should hold or not. Well, the first respondents are praying or will be filing a case that would set aside the petition, declaring it null and void. But the other side is quite hopeful that their petition will stand the ground and the appropriate thing will be done. Komla Kluche, TV3 News, Wenchi. I mean, they can do my stand up.